SLP stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Stimulants Plus, it is 6.6% up, which is quite solid. All I'm looking to do, you know, is hopefully take things up. Now, I've talked about this plenty of times before, man. Like, we come here, we've reached like a supply point, which is solid. And now, this is where it gets interesting. Now is where the whole difference is, right? This is a no man's land. If you don't know what that is, it's just a land where I'm not looking to really trade anything. It really just depends for the price to show what direction it's going to pick. Either there's going to be like a shift and then potential sell here, or we start breaking things up, which it's not going to be an immediate buy, but I'm saying if there's a full candle close above 26, it's a whole different play. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated by any means. If you want to stay tuned about SLP, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter. Goodbye.